In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Steam gift card that's not working, a complete guide for 2025. If you've ever found yourself in the frustration of having a gift card that's not being redeemed, well, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through each step to ensure you can troubleshoot this issue effectively. So let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're completely logged out of your Steam account. Head over to the Steam website or app. You'll notice your profile icon generally located at the top right of the screen. Click on it and choose the option to sign out. Believe it or not, many technical issues can be resolved simply by logging out and then logging back in. So once you're signed out, take a moment and then log back in. Make sure that you're using the correct credentials by double checking your username and password. Now that you're back in your account, navigate to your profile drop-down menu. This is typically located at the same spot you found the logout option. From here, click on Account Details. This section contains all relevant information regarding your account and is essential for managing your account settings and finances. Next, look for the section that allows you to add funds to your Steam wallet. Within this section, you should spot the Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code option. Clicking here brings up a field where you can type in the code found on your gift card. Ensure you enter the code exactly as it appears, using uppercase for letters and including any dashes if present. A simple typo can prevent redemption, so check this carefully. In cases where the gift card still doesn't work, it's time to escalate the issue. Head over to the Help section of the platform. Once there, find and click on Steam Support. This will direct you to a series of options related to Steam's services. When in Steam Support, select Purchases. This brings up a variety of options regarding transaction issues. Look for and select the option labeled I need help with gift cards or something similar. Here, choose My Steam gift card or wallet to dive into more specific troubleshooting steps. If none of these steps resolve the issue, the best course of action is to reach out to Steam Support directly. Select Contact Steam Support, and a prompt will allow you to type your concern. Be as detailed as possible about what you've experienced and the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. Once you're satisfied with the message, click Send. Hopefully, these steps will guide you to a quick and easy solution, ensuring your gift card works as intended. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like,